FAMAS, humingi ng sorry sa pag-snub kay Miss Eva Darren. Humingi ng paumanhin ang pamunuan ng Filipino Academy of Movie Arts and Sciences o FAMAS sa veteran actress na si Miss Eva Darren. Sanhi umano na hindi sinasadyang hindi pagtawag sa stage dito bilang isang presenter na naunang inaata sa kanya. Kinumpirma nga ng FAMAS na sadya umanong mayroong partisipasyon si Miss Eva bilang presenter sa ginawang awarding ceremony noong May 26, 2023. Kasama umano dapat siya ni Tirso Cruz III na magbibigay ng special citations. Subalit ayon sa FAMAS, ay hindi nila umano ito makita. Inako ng FAMAS ang pagkakamali at kapabayaan umano ito sa kanilang parte, subalit binigyan din na hindi nila sinadya ang pangyayari. Sinabi din ng FAMAS na pinahahalagahan nila si Miss Eva at iba pang veteran stars at nangakong babawi sila dito. FAMAS would like to express its sincerest apologies to Miss Eva Darren, an icon in Philippine movie industry, and a professional actress whose career is indubitably worthy of emulation. She was part of the program in last night's awards night and was supposed to present special citations with Mr. Tirso Cruz III. But considering that we were running a live show and due to myriads of people present in last night's festivities, the production team was not able to locate Miss Darren. This was indeed a setback in the live show and a negligence on the part of the team. Rest assured that this was not intentional and purely a misjudgment. The show is being streamed live and needed to be remedied right away. Hence, a replacement for Miss Darren was done last minute. We are writing this with a heavy heart, especially after hearing that Miss Darren and her family were terribly hurt by this unintentional disregard to her presence and stature. We truly value Miss Darren and the rest of the veteran stars present last night, true to the homecoming concept of the show. But as there were brilliant moments to the most star-studded awards night in recent memory, there were also hitches and unfortunate developments in a live show such as this one. We understand that an apology alone cannot undo the damage this might have caused Miss Darren, but we are committed to make amends and rebuild her trust by a personal visit of the FAMAS board to honor her stature if she allows it. Ang public apology ng FAMAS ay nag-ugat matapos mag-post ang anak ni Miss Eva kaugnay di umano sa hindi tamang pagtrato ng FAMAS sa kanilang ina. A moment of debacle at the FAMAS Awards night. My mother, Eva Darren, a veteran actress of the Philippine movie industry, having performed on the big screen and television for more than 5 decades, usually does not attend social events. She loves the simple pleasures in life, being surrounded by family. A couple of months ago, she received a notice of invitation for the FAMAS Awards night. For those of you who aren't familiar, FAMAS is the equivalent of the USA's Oscar Awards. She was also given a script to go over and memorize as an awards presenter, coupled with another veteran actor, Mr. Tirso Cruz III. Mom was excited, bought the best dress and pair of heels she could afford, and topped that with a nice package of hair and makeup for the gala. During the event, she brought along 3 of her very proud grandkids, with a price tag of 5,000 pesos per plate for 4 people. Needless to say, it was not a cheap evening. It was all worth it though. After all, The last time she was on stage during a famous awards night was back then in 1969, when she received the coveted Best Supporting Actress Award for her role in the movie Ang Pulubi, opposite legendary actress Charito Solis. Being the true professional that my mother is, she memorized and rehearsed her script to perfection, braved the downpour of a Signal Number 1 typhoon warning, and drove to the Manila Hotel. After the glitz and glamour shots, with air cheek kisses and whatnot, everyone eventually took their seats and the awarding commenced. During the point where she was supposed to present an award, her partner, Mr. Tirso Cruz III, went upstage with an upcoming young singer instead, not my mom. My mother never went on the stage. The PR officer of FAMAS, who had been in constant communication with my mother prior to the event, had absolutely no explanations to offer, just 1,000 apologies. He confessed not knowing what happened and wasn't sure why there was a last-minute change. My mom said it's okay, but decided to leave nonetheless. I couldn't blame her. Staying around was just rubbing salt on her FAMAS inflicted wounds. You would think and assume that a prestigious award-giving body, who had been doing the same thing every year, over and over without fail, would have mastered the craft after 72 years. But no, not this entity. To all of you people behind FAMAS, you cannot do this to an icon of Philippine cinema. It is rude. It is disrespectful. It is unethical. It is unprofessional to say the very least. I can think of 1,000 other words to describe what FAMAS did to my mother, even contemplated on legal actions for a second or two. But my sister, a devout Christian, told me to leave it to the hands of God. And so I will. Samantala, kahit hindi sinasadya, nadamay sa insidente at sa pambabash ng netizens, ang pumalit na presenter kay Miss Eva, na singer na si Miss Sheena Palad. Nagpaliwanag si Sheena sa kanyang social media account kung paano siya naging presenter sa halip na si Miss Eva.
Hello po, magandang araw sa inyong lahat.
Hello guys, we're Johan and Sheena. We were part of the 72nd FAMAS Awards night just last night, and we're so grateful for it. I hosted it. Then Sheena was chosen to perform. We just like to be very straightforward with what happened. We are extending our deepest empathies to the family of Madam Eva Darren. Whatever happened po, talagang we feel sorry about it. And to Sheena, wala po siyang siya po yung magpapaliwanag mamaya, wala naman siyang kinalaman about what happened. And I think FAMAS is doing their best to mitigate the concern.
But just to clear the story lang po, siguro because I've been receiving messages, and also before anything else, I would like to say thank you to my friends and family who messaged me directly and asked me about the situation, what I am feeling right now. And salamat po sa inyo. Actually, doon ako naiiyak kasi nakikita ko yung mga kaibigan ko talaga na talagang caring sa career ko, sa life ko, sa journey ko, ayun. And I was, katulad yan ang sinabi ni Johan, I was chosen, I was called by the organizers to perform for the Dinner Pleasure. Yun po yung una. So the Dinner Pleasure is the entertainment for the dinner time. So, I sang 2 songs nung time po na yon, and that's what I'm wearing, the yellow dress. So, what happened was, eto na po, ayan. So, nagpalit na po ako ng damit. Nagpalit na po ako. Second na damit ko na, kulay itim, glitz and glamour. And then, dumating po ako doon, naka-standby po kami. Tapos po, nung naka-standby po kami, we were called earlier sa backstage, kami pong tatlo. And then, nung naka-standby, nakaupo po ako, pinuntahan po ako ng staff. Nung pinuntahan po ako ng staff, sabi niya, Sheena, can we ask a big favor from you? Sabi ko, yes, what's that? Tapos, sabi niya, can you present the awards? Sabi ko, okay, sige, no problem. That's it. Yun lang po yung alam ko. Hindi ko po alam na si Miss Eva yung magpe-present po. Actually, nung time na yun, I was clueless. Hindi po kasi ako nanonood ng awards night because I was in the holding area. So, hindi ko po alam kung paano mag-present. And if you're gonna be reviewing the videos, nakakatawa pa nga, we were laughing about it because I mispronounced the name of
Kuya Germs.
Kuya Germs, Herman Moreno, which I said na sa sobrang kaba ko, and ang nasabi ko, German Moreno.
German Moreno.
Siguro yun yung isa sa mga pinakakabado na magbabasa lang naman ako. Kasi nga, I was not prepared. Hindi ko man lang po nabasa yung script. Wala po talaga. Kasi before the production, bumaba na po yung dating presenter. Kami na po yung sumunod. Ang instruction lang po sa akin is, Sheena, you're gonna present after you sing the production number, which is the OST, yung movie OSTs. So sabi ko, okay po, sige po. So sabi niya, once you're done with the production, punta ka na dun sa gilid. And Sir Tirso will be with you. So sabi ko, okay, sige po. Yun lang. So I was just following instructions. So yun lang. I hope that you are enlightened with the situation.
Yes, and can we also be honest na lang din po kasi I think Sheena is very much in pain right now because of all the bashings and all the hate that you were throwing at her. So yun na po nakikiusap. Ako po bilang isa sa mga tao nagmamahal kay Sheena. Nakikiusap po ako na kung pwede po, itigil niyo na po yung pang-judge and pang-hate and pang-babash kay Sheena because wala po talaga siyang kinalaman doon sa nangyari. She's totally innocent. She was just following instructions. She was just doing her job. And yun lang po, please, sana po, wag po tayong manghusga agad ng tao kasi kawawa naman po yung mahal ko. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this
At sana
this
po
video.
at sana nasagot namin lahat ng tanong ninyo. Anyway, so yeah.
Yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys.
Thank you, guys.
God bless you.
Gayon din, agading sumagot ang anak ni Miss Eva Darren at tinanggap ang paghingi ng paumanhin ng FAMAS. In response to the FAMAS apology, my dear Facebook family, we truly appreciate the overwhelming display of love and support. Once again, the people have spoken and proved that the keyboard is mightier than the sword. Salamat may kinakapatid Rebelyesa and Miss Myla Gumila for spreading the word. My mom is one tough cookie. She is a battle-tested survivor of life's arena. Miss Eva Darren has found some comfort in the midst of a loving family, which includes you all. Growing up in a middle-class neighborhood in Manila, we didn't have much. My mom turned night into day to provide for us, including an education that instilled fundamental virtues and principles of Filipino culture that necessitates respect for the elderly. It is far from our intention to ruffle feathers, and in fact, our upbringing inclined towards avoiding trouble at all costs, often at our emotional expense. I remember one of my designated house chores as a child was to make sure Mom's famous trophy from 1969 stays constantly dustless and polished. One of the very few treasured possessions we have. We revered FAMAS and everything it stands for. This is why what happened to my mother, in the eyes of our family, was incomprehensible, unexpected, unimaginable. I firmly believe that what hurt my mother the most is disappointing her apos, who tag along in the hopes of seeing Grandma on stage. We also know that Mr. Tirso Cruz III and the PR officer of FAMAS, Mr. Brance Spangler, have nothing to do with what happened, and just the same, were casualties of someone's questionable backstage judgment. My mom was seated in the table front and center adjacent to the stage, rubbing elbows with my second mom, Ninang Divina Valencia, and my awesome tita Marisa Delgado. For the reasons I stated above, And on behalf of my mother, Miss Eva Darren, our family accepts the olive branch that FAMAS has extended and only hope that future events would prove to be contrasting. I understand that we are but a small voice in the back row of a rowdy crowd, but if I may humbly, personally, recommend two things for the 73rd FAMAS Awards night. Please stick to the script, and maybe a nice pair of eyeglasses for all in charge. Respectfully, Dr. Fernando de la Peña. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.